Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program the homepage, including session management and latest product listings. So I'm here in the homepage. You can see the product displayed in here. There are different categories. You can see the laptop, desktop computer, mobile, camera. Now I'm going to show you how to program this. This page combines session management, search functionality, and latest product listings, giving users a dynamic and personalized shopping experience. Let's go through the code. Let's go through the code step by step in VS Code. At the very beginning, I have included my connection file using PHP script. This connects the page to this connects the page to the database, which is essential for loading categories, products, and user details. Session management in PHP allows the website to remember who is currently logged in. When a user signs in, their details are stored in a session variable, and then those session values can be accessed from any page. In my case, I handle session logic mainly inside the header PHP file that's included right after the body tag. Here the header PHP checks whether a session has started, and if a user is logged in, it dynamically displays options like My Profile, Logout, or Sign In. That's how I maintain consistent session management across all pages. The home page uses a bootstrap grid layout. Everything is wrapped in a container fluid and raw, making the page responsive across different screen sizes. You can see how columns are defined for different devices using classes like column 12, column large 6, and offsets for alignments. This structure makes sure that the design scales neatly whether the site is opened on a desktop, tablet, or mobile. Here we have the search section. The input box allows user to type a keyword, while the drop-down dynamically loads all the product categories from the database. Below that, I got a search button which triggers a JavaScript function called basic search. That function handles AJAX requests to fetch matching products. There is also an advanced search link on the right, which leads to a separate page with more filters. Now let's move to the carousel section, which acts as the promotional banner area for the homepage. This carousel is a bootstrap component. It automatically cycles through the three images stored in the resources folder. The indicators at the top represents the three slides, and the inner part contains each image with optional captions. For example, the first slide welcomes to the user to eShop, while the third slide emphasizes low delivery costs. Navigation arrows are added using Bootstrap's built-in classes, Carousel, Carousel Control Prev, and Carousel Control Next. Everything runs automatically with the data bs right equal true attribute. Now, now we reach the core of the homepage, the dynamic product listing. This part retrieves categories and the latest products from the database. Here I first query all categories from the category table and loop through them using PHP. Inside this loop, I display each category name with the CO link, which can later lead to a full listing page. Then inside each category, I query the product table. This query fetches the latest 4 active products from that category, sorted by the date they were added. That's how I make sure the homepage is always shows the newest arrivals automatically. Each product is displayed in a bootstrap card. The image path is fetched from the product img table, and below it we show the title, price, and availability. If the product's quantity is greater than 0, it shows in stock with a buy now and add to cart button. Otherwise, it displays out of stock and disables the buttons. This dynamic condition ensures that users can only purchase available products, improving accuracy and user experience. At the bottom, I include the footer PHP file which contains copyright and contact information. Then I click then I link the JavaScript files, Bootstrap bundle.js for Bootstrap functionality and script.js for my custom functions. So the homepage connects to the database through connection PHP file. Session management is handled through header PHP file, ensuring user login continuity. The layout uses Bootstrap's grid system for responsiveness. The carousel highlights promotions dynamically. The latest product listings are fetched by category, sorted by date, and displayed with stock validations. Together, these features make the homepage both interactive and data-driven, giving users a professional online shopping experience. Thank you.